What is the meaning of name itself has meaning? Co and covalence. Covalence means sahavalence. Covalence means covalent means co అంటే మన తెలుగు వాడే సహా అని వినండి సహా వ్యాలెన్స్ సహవాలెన్స్ అంటే కోవాలెంట్ కోవాలెంట్ అంటే కోవాలెంట్ బాండ్ సహా వ్యాలెన్స్ అంటే విలువ అని సహా విలువైన బంధము అని తెలుగు కోవాలెంట్ బాండ్ ఈక్వల్ షేరింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద బాండ్స్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ కోవాలెంట్ బాండ్ వేరు షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఇన్ కోవాలెంట్ బాండ్ suppose example write down covalent bond is a bond write down covalent is bond a bond రాయాలి ఇది ఎగ్జామ్లో కూడా అన్నిటికీ రాయాల్సి ఉంటుంది 1 మార్క్ 1.5 ఇస్తాడు a bond is a bond where electrons are shared each other or among others. Each other or among others. The sharing of electrons is called by sharing of electrons. Covalent bond is formed. This is the covalent bond. Suppose example what is that? You take hydrogen first. Hydrogen means this is H2 molecule. How does it form? How many first shell? One electron, one proton. There is no neutron. Here also, see here also another. Right? Don't agree. Here also one electron. This also one electron. Hydrogen. Here it is this is not rule. This is not the octet rule. This is duplet rule. Duplet bond. 2 electrons only. That's why duplet bond. What is formed here? This is the bond. Here happens bond. What is the bond angle here? 180 degrees. Linear bond. It is called linear. The linear bond. Hydrogen. Next hydrogen after chlorine. Tell me chlorine. Chlorine how many? Chlorine Cl2. 2 atoms. Chlorine how many? First shell 2. Second shell 8. 8 means you will have to write 8. This shell is not necessary, but you should write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next shell how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another atom also. Chlorine 2. Next 8. Next octet rule. That is octet rule. That is all electrons theory. See here. Here this is 7 electrons. Here 7 electrons. Valence electrode in the X mark. 7 electrons. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How can bond make? You can make the bond in that way. How many electrons are there? Here this is 7. 7 plus electron 8. 7 plus 1 8 electron. This also bond it make 7 plus 8. This is the chlorine sharing of the electron. Write down by seeing in textbook. Exact write down. Chlorine. Chlorine after nitrogen write down. Nitrogen is also there.
Yes, sir.
Nitrogen also there. This is what is this? Single bond or double bond? Chlorine, chlorine. Huh? Chlorine single bond only. Here 2 electrons only. F also hydrogen got a single bond. Hydrogen also you can write in this way. Hydrogen, hydrogen. Here chlorine, chlorine. This is also bond. Skeleton bond that is. Hydrogen, how many electrons there? First shell. First shell 2. Final shell any? How many? How many? Final. How many electrons? Total electrons first shell 2 gone. Name itself. 5 electrons are there. How many? 5 electrons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here another one 2 goes. Here also 5 electrons. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make it a bond. This is 8 electrons. Now how many electrons we will have to require? 5 K. How many electrons required? 3 required from the nitrogen. You will have to draw this electron here. Chlorine. Right here I can write. What is this nitrogen? First 2 electrons. This is name itself 2 electrons. Then 5. Write down 3 electrons this side. This what is that dot? Here also 3. Remaining 2. Here 1. This is here also nitrogen. Right. Here also right. Square here also. This is 3. This is another 2. 5 electrons. 5 plus 3. How many? 5 plus 3, 8 octet rule. Here also 3 plus 5. 3 plus this is the octet rule. Octet rule. It becomes octet rule. This is nitrogen. This is what are these bonds? Covalent bonds. Covalent bonds. In the test lo stop the test. How many are there?